So I'm here on a gorgeous sunny day back at Auto Protec in Minley, who did the amazing job putting the matte Expel PPF on the car. You see it's well used, dirty, after a wet drive, out to a very exciting photo shoot, which I'll tell you about later. But luckily this got dirty on the way back from the photo shoot. But there's one thing I've always thought quite strange about the modern Spiders, the modern convertibles. This, of course, is the it's the Spider version of the F8 Tributo, which is the name of the coupe. So named because it's a tribute to the last of the non-hybrid V8s. But the Tributo has a beautiful looking Lexan F40-esque rear engine cover through which you can see the engine. However, as in common with nearly all Spiders, I think since the 430, the Spider versions have not had the glass engine cover. And as I said, I think that's quite strange, as this is supposed to be a tribute to the V8s, and you can't actually see the V8. So I've taken the liberty of adding this very nice OEM carbon engine cover, but it can't be seen. However, that is all going to change. So through the Ferrari forum, F-chat in America, I managed to find somebody who had addressed the situation for his own car, and amazingly it was painted in blue Corsa, and I've just had that recovered here at Auto Protec as well with the matte PPF. This is made by Capristo, who make very famous for their aftermarket exhaust for Ferraris. But beautiful carbon fiber. This carbon fiber now being wrapped in the Expel Stealth matte PPF to match the rest of the car. Amazingly, it comes with this very OEM, very factory looking Ferrari plaque with the tricolore on there. But it looks absolutely beautiful, and through there you should be able to see a nice view of the engine itself. And it comes with this additional bit of carbon trim that goes at the back of it. So I'm very excited about seeing what this is going to look like on the car. As I said, I'm not going to do a great deal of visual modification to it, but this is going to be an exciting one. At the same time, they're also going to give it a clean, as they're experts at that here. And the final thing I'm going to do, ask them to do, let me just get in here, is I also ordered some Ferrari titanium wheel nuts, which absolutely, well, wheel bolts I think is more accurate. Beautiful works of art, much lighter, and I think they look really smart. So stay tuned and see what the car looks like when it's done.